Attorney Alvaro Bong Antonio, the founder of the Apong League. To Mayor of Pamplona, Mayor Digna Puzon Antonio. And also to Mayor of Alcala, Attorney Cristina I. Antonio. And also to the director of this league, thank you to Miss Criselda Dadang Antonio. And now back to the ball game. 2-0 now is our score, courtesy of the service ace by Columna. Nice receive there. An attack error by jersey number 17 of Team Camalaniugan. 3-0 now is our score. Columna still on deck to serve. Nice serve there. Carino sa gitna. Kaday with that hit. A facial attack by Kaday. Back set for Carino. Jersey number 17. Top spin for Camalaniugan. Nice dig by the libero. Top spin. Attack by jersey number 17. Kaday. It's dug up by the libero. And cross-court attack. Misreceive by jersey number 22. Valdemor of Team Lalo. Jersey number 15 is on deck to serve. Nice receive there. Kaday. Cross-court attack. And it hits the line. And the team captain is on deck to serve for Team Lalo. We have jersey number 5, Carino. That ball sails out. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. Team captain Villoria is on deck to serve for Team Camalaniugan. Kaday will receive that ball. And binalik niya sa Team Camalaniugan. A chance ball now. Valdemor will push the ball. A chance ball for Team Lalo. Open to Valdemor. And that hit went too long. And at that point will be given to Team Camalaniugan. 3-4 is our score. Nice receive there by the libero. There is a check on that hit. And a point for Team Lalo. Jersey number 9, Kaday, is on deck to serve. And a service error is committed by Kaday. Free point for Team Camalaniugan. 4 serving 5. Columna receive that ball. Valdemor with that soft attack. Jersey number 2 will give that to Team Lalo. And a top spin by Valdemor. And no one is there to pick that ball up for Team Camalaniugan. And now Valdemor is on the service line. 4. Too much set. And that ball sails out. Point for Team Lalo. 7-4 is our score. Nice serve there. Over received. Columna with that approach. And a cross-court attack by Columna. 8-4 is our standing score now. Valdemor is still on deck to serve for Team Lalo. reception there by jersey number 2. A push by Combate. And a point for Team Camalaniugan with that attack error by Combate. 5-8. So our score, a service ace o a service error for Labao. Jersey number 18 of Team Camalaniugan. And a free point for Team Lalo. Now Combate shows how service ace is made. Now they are up by 5, 10-5 is our score. Pero binawi ng service error ni Combate. Labe is on deck to serve for Team Camalaniugan. Nice receive by De Libero sa gitna. Guillermo with that push. Nice dig there by Labe. Pero hindi na naabutan ni Antonio. Point for Team Lalo. Guillermo with that powerful serve. Viloria with the approach. Nice recover there by Valdemar. And now a chance ball for Team Lalo. Kaday. Too much angle on that hit. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. 7-11 is our score. Antonio to serve. Nice receive by De Libero. Back set to Columna. Overset. And a point for Camalaniugan. 8-11 is our score. Still serving Antonio of Team Camalaniugan. And that ball sails out. And a free point for Team Lalo. Columna, jersey number 15, is on deck to serve. Labe misreceived that one and an ace for Columna. And this is our first technical timeout of the match. Ayan. Hello to our live viewers. And hello to our 65 live viewers for this afternoon. Please do share our live. And hello to Elma Makasadu. Good luck, jersey number 9, Jessa Kaday. Pakita mo kung sino ka, Hermione. Sabi po ni Loveline Antonio. Good luck, Lalo. Sabi po ni hello. Ayan. Back to the ball game and
Back to the ball game. Our score is
13-8 is our official standing score. And Columna sails that ball out. To serve for Team Camalaniugan, we have jersey number 7, Combate, and Carino will push that ball back. Camalaniugan. Nice chase by De Libero. 1-2 play. Kaday with a hit. Itawa to Labe. And that ball sails out. A point for Team Lalo. And Carino now, the team captain, is on deck to serve. Service error. Then serving 14 is our score now. On deck to serve, Kapitana Viloria. That is outside. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. 11 serving 14. Carino, Columna. Up spin, misreceived by the libero. Now babalik sa Team Camalaniugan. Antonio, ulit tawa, block by Kaday. Wow. What a chase by Jessa Kaday. Jersey number 9 of Team Lalo. 15-11 is our score now. A service error is committed by Kaday. And on the other side, Litawa to serve. Open to Guillermo. And a misreceive by Guillermo. A point for Team Camalaniugan. Litawa is still on deck to serve. And she committed a service error. Now Valdemar to serve. Nice serve there. Labe. Pick up by the libero. Columna with that approach. And he uses the hands of Labao. And a point for Team Lalo. 17-13 is our score. Labe with the approach. There's a touch on the net by Guillermo. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. Labao with that service error. And too much error for both teams on that service line. Combate to serve. A nice serve coming out from Combate. Labe. A chance ball now for Team Lalo. An attack error for Guillermo. 15-18 is our score. Ayan. Miscommunication there by Team Lalo. The point for Team Camalaniugan. 16-18 is our score. Columna through the hands of Litawa, and a point for Team Lalo. And Team Lalo is up by 3, 19-16. Guillermo to serve now. The service error for Guillermo. 17-19 is our score. Labe to serve for Team Camalaniugan. Set to Kaday. Push at the back. Pick up by Labe. Viloria on that push. Carino to Columna on that cross-court kill. Now back to 3-point lead for Team Lalo. Columna is on deck to serve. Nice serve. Nice pick up by Labe. Kaday. Standing spike. Litawa is blocked by Kaday. Kaday, the youngster And the first point is for Team Lalo. 1-0. Nice receive by Litawa. Viloria is dug up by the libero. And now a chance ball again for Team Camalaniugan. Viloria with the approach. Check and chased by the libero. Carino. Chance ball again. Poor reception there by Labe. A chance ball now for Team Lalo in the middle. Guillermo is dug up by Labe. A push by Viloria. Open to Columna. Dug up. And a misreceive by Litawa and a point for Team Lalo. 2-0 is our score now. Poor reception there by Labe. Viloria with the approach. A push. Back set to Combate. Magadon is blocked by Columna with that swipe. And Team Lalo is at the second set with 3-0. A miscommunication there. A chance ball for Team Lalo in the middle. Guillermo. No one is there to block Guillermo. And a point for Team Lalo. For serving 0. The service error is committed by Carino. A lucky point to be given to Team Camalaniugan. Antonio is on deck to serve. Back set to Guillermo. Nanggigil. And that is attack error for Guillermo. Antonio is still on deck to serve. Received by Columna. Combate. Mishit. Ayan, natawa na lang sila sa palo ni Combate. And now Columna will try. Dug up by the libero. Chance ball for Team Lalo. In the middle, Guillermo. Nice pick up by the libero. Set to Columna. A push. Nagkagulo pero naibalik ng libero. Ooh. A misreceive there by Labe. And that toss and a point for Team Lalo. 5-2 is our score. Guillermo is on deck to serve. Nice serve. Now a free ball for Team Lalo. Open to Columna. Pick up by Labe. With the help of the net. Kaday with that drop shot. And Kaday found the hole in the middle of Team Camalaniugan. 6-2 is our score. Guillermo is still on deck to serve for Team Lalo. Litawa with that running ball. And now Columna tries to go with that cut shot. But it is not enough. An attack error for Columna. A point now for Team Camalaniugan. Magadon just sails that ball out. 7-3 is our score now. Columna is on deck to serve. For reception by the libero. Binalik ng libero. And a set to Valdemore. Straight to the net. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. 4-7 is our score. Kaday with that cross-court attack. Targeting zone 1 of Team Kamalanyugan. 8-4 is our score. Combate. A poor reception by the libero. Ay naibabalik ng libero. But that ball went too long. 9-4 is our score. And Combate is still on the service line with that service error. Litawa is on deck to serve. And a heavy serve for Litawa. And a chance ball for Team Kamalanyugan. Antonio, top spin. Valdemar, down the line hit is good for jersey number 22, Valdemar of Team Lalo. And to serve for Team Lalo is jersey number 25, Villalos. Set to Labe. Chows on the net. And a 1 point by Guillermo. 11-5 is our score. And Team Lalo is up by 6 now. Villalos on deck to serve. Poor reception by Labe. Ibabalik ng libero. Carino to Guillermo. And Antonio on that top spin. Valdemar will try a cross court. And it is inside. That ball just touches the line. And a timeout will be called to Team Kamalanyugan. Ayan, hello to our live viewers. Galing naman nun, Jan Alia, Amor Guillermo. Lakas sabi po ni Chorlex Alag. Golalo ang sinisigaw ni Azriel Nico. Ayan, go Ate Geraldine, sabi po ni RV Relos Orsia. Or Orsia. And this is set number 2 of the match between Team Lalo versus Team Kamalanyugan. Team Lalo is up by 1 set. And isang set na lang po and they will win this match. Pero hindi papayag ang Team Kamalanyugan. They will try to make that happen now in set number 2. And we are back to the ball game. Ayan, ang supportive mother ng setter of Lalo. We have Chara Mercarino. Hello. Labe with that lucky hit. And a point now for Team Kamalanyugan. 6-12 is our score. Labao now to serve. Carino to Guillermo. A cross-court shot dug up by Villoria. Sinet sa libero. And Labe will try. Off the block hit by Labe. 7-12 is our score now. With the help of the net, a service ace for Labao, jersey number 18 of Team Kamalanyugan. I serve. Top spin there by Columna. Antonio. Sa gitna. Push by Guillermo. Labe will try. And that is inside. Targeting zone 1 of Team Lalo. Ayan, humahabol na po ang Team Kamalanyugan with only 3-point lead for Team Lalo. Want to play? And now we reached our second technical timeout of this match. Ayan. Hello to Maru Alag. Nikki Valdemore nagdagsen. Ayan, laingampay. Sabi po ni Maru Alag. And back to the ball game now. Special shout out to Chris Mael Lagok, the ever gorgeous national referee of this Apong League. Now back to the ball game. Chance ball now for Team Lalo. Nice chase by the libero. Pero hindi na nahabol ni Labe. At a point for Team Lalo. Valdemore is still on deck to serve. That is outside. 10-14 is our score now. Labe to serve for Team Kamalanyugan. Nice pick up by Labe. Viloria with a top spin. Binalik sa Team Kamalanyugan. But there is a miscommunication there for Team Kamalanyugan. A point for Team Lalo. 15-10 is our score. And a service error is committed by Carino. And shout out po kay jersey number 25, Nicole Villalos. Sabi po ni Feby K. Kiokcho Panagsagana. And hello. Nice reach there by Columna. Bumalik sa Team Kamalanyugan. And Viloria with that down the line hit. Hindi na naiangat ng libero ng Team Lalo. And for that, score for Team Kamalanyugan, 12-15. It's our score. $16-12 is our score now. And binalik po si Kaday sa court for Team Lalo, just to make sure that they have an attacking point for Team Lalo. And that is an attack error for Litawa. To serve, we have jersey number 4, Guillermo. With that jump serve, but it went outside. Magadon now is on deck to serve for Kamalanyugan. A service error is also committed by Team Camalaniugan. 18-13 is our score. Received by Labe. Set Itawa. Jaws on the net and won by Team Lalo. Team Lalo now is on their 6-point lead. And Columna is on deck to serve with the help of the net. Targeting the libero. And Columna got an ace timeout for Team Camalaniugan. Ayan, our next game is to be played between Team Santo Niño versus Gonzaga. Still on women's division of this elimination round. Ayan, Elaine Tagibao. Sana po nasagot ang iyong query. Ayan, and we are now back to the ball game. Team Lalo is up by 7, 20-13. And Columna is still on deck to serve. Ayan, pinasok na po si Fernandez ng Team Lalo. Tulong with that serve. And a free point for Team Camalaniugan. 13-20 is the score. Nice placement there by Viloria with that serve. Targeting the hole at zone 5. Carino to Kaday. And Kaday won that point with a top spin at the back. Targeting also the zone 5 of Team Camalaniugan. A service error is committed by Combate. 21-16 is our score. A heavy serve by Litawa. A push by Kaday but straight to the net. 17-21 is our score. A service error for Litawa and only 3-point left na lang sa Team Lalo. 22 serving 17 and Kaday is on the service line. Carino to serve that to Fernandez. A chance ball for Team Camalaniugan. Off-speed attack is good by Antonio. Jersey number 19 of Team Camalaniugan. Ayan, humahabol pa rin po ang Team Camalaniugan. Only 4 points ang kanilang kailangan. But that drop shot will give Team Lalo their warning point. 23 serving 18. And to serve, we have jersey number 6, Fernandez of Team Lalo. Nice serve. And she got an ace. And now they've reached match point. Nice serve there by Fernandez. Labe will give a chance ball. Guillermo with that push. And with that, Team Lalo won this match against Team Camalaniugan. Ayan, congratulations to Team Lalo for winning this match. Very controlled game between Lalo and Camalaniugan. 25-18 on the first set. And still 25-18 on the second set. And announcing the player of the game, wearing jersey number 15, Columna, with that 5 service aces and 8 attacks. Again, congratulations to Team Lalo. And after this, our next game to be played between Team Santo Niño versus Team Gonzaga, still on the women's division. That is match